Zoom in on sharks. Great white sharks by Leo Stats. Great white sharks. Great white sharks are huge fish. They have white underbellies. This is how they got their name. Great white sharks are fierce predators. They can hear and see well. They have a great sense of smell, too. Body. Great white sharks have strong tails. Their tails help them swim fast. This lets them leap out of the water. Great white sharks can have up to 300 sharp teeth. The biggest teeth can be 2.5 inches, 6.4 centimeters long. Habitat. Great white sharks live in oceans. The sharks can be found all over the world, but they often swim near coasts. Where great white sharks live. Food. Great white sharks are carnivores. They often eat sea lions. They also eat seals. Great white sharks hunt their prey. They swim upward fast. Then they burst out of the water to catch the prey. Life cycle. Baby great white sharks are called pups. Pups leave their mothers after they are born. They can live more than 30 years in the wild. Quick stats. Average length. A great white shark is longer than a car. 17.5 feet. 15 feet. Quick stats. Average weight. A great white shark is heavier than 4 soda vending machines. 5,000 pounds. 4,400 pounds.